Hello guys, welcome back to my adventure vlog. Today is a kind of sad day because all my friends are going their own native village for Christmas celebration, and here I am to drop one of my friend from Jharkhand. He will be leaving 11 p.m. from Secunderabad East railway station to Jharkhand. So I came dropping him now. At the same time, we are hungry, so we just came across one of the beautiful hotels. We ordered chicken biryani, and now we are going to have dinner together. It's a kind like farewell party for this year 2022, and then I wish him his happy journey, safe journey, and happy Christmas celebration and coming New Year, and also to all my viewers. I hope that everybody is well, everybody is strong enough to celebrate this Christmas celebration and New Year. So now we are going to start our dinner. Our chicken biryani is right on this table. So the chicken biryani is calling me, come on, come on. So we are going to have it now. Let's eat together. Hello guys. This is our biryani. Here is my friend. He will be leaving tonight to his state, Jharkhand. I will be staying back. I won't be going home for Christmas celebration and New Year. I will be celebrating in Andhra Pradesh this year. Oh, it's too much, yeah. The name of this hotel is Indian Hotel. It's just in front of the railway station, Secunderabad railway station. So, I mean, if anyone comes here, you can just enter Hotel Indian, and then you can have it, and you can enjoy your hungry. Now, we're going to start. I thought of not doing this video, but I feel like I should do, because my friend is treating me. I feel a little bit emotional at the same time, because he'll be leaving. We have been staying together working together for almost 5 months, and then Christmas is coming near, so he has to go. Tasty. I love lemon, okay? And then I got chicken thigh. I really love chicken thigh, and then today I get chicken thigh. This hotel knows me very well. Yeah. Very tasty. This is my plate. How clean it is. And here is the another. What do we call this? Sambar or I don't know what is this name, but it is too oily, so I didn't take. I don't want oily things. And here in southern part of India, in every hotel, in every family, they used to have curd. So curd is compulsory for everyone whenever they have lunch or dinner. So curd is very much compulsory for the southern people, but for the northeast people, we don't have curd whenever we have breakfast or dinner or lunch. So my friend still he's eating. For the year 2022, this will be the last dinner date, and I do pray that he will come next year, and then we'll enjoy together. He is a very good friend of mine. He's very humble, and I am taking control of him because he is very good. He's always time yes man whenever I say. We used to go out every time together and enjoy together. We used to do adventure life here in Hyderabad. Now we finish our dinner and we will head back. We will go direct to Secunderabad railway station. I am going to drop him, and then I will go back alone to Pocharam, which is almost 15 kilometers far away from Secunderabad. Okay, we will now. I request everyone to drop my friends to Secunderabad East. Let's go. Here is my friend. I am going to drop him now. Train timing is 11 p.m. So now, what is the time now? 8:20. So we reach here 8:20. So he has to wait an hour. Waiting for, I've been accompanying him for almost more than 1 hour. So it's a right time for me to go back, because if it is too late, my local bus, it will be difficult for me to get. Bus will not be available. Taxi also will not be available. It will be available, but it will be a little bit expensive if I book from Uber cab or something. So I prefer local bus. I have to say goodbye again to my friend, and I should pray that he will reach home safely, and all my other friends who have gone afternoon, I do pray that they will reach their home safely and enjoy their vacation. And at the same time, I feel lonely because we've been together for 5 months working together, and now because of Christmas everybody is leaving, and then I feel a little bit lonely, and I want to make this video for a memorable day. And here is my another staff. We met here in the railway station. He's from Odisha, so they are having a good conversation. But I have to leave right now. So please my dear viewers, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Good night, take care everyone, and once again I wish you a Merry Christmas and coming New Year.